Miss Ivy, if you will. Yourself, huh?
What do you call that pose? She's so confident about her. Oh my gosh.
Are you the model?
Yellow, you know? Can't be, pwede.
May we cut the modeling for a while? Let us not forget, we still have one more contestant. And after her, okay, she's taking a catwalk already.
Of course. Pasensya na po, nagsasubmit pa yung iba. Sabi namin, hanggang alam mo na lang kami, ah. Okay,
Let's
wait.
for a while, of course.
Opo. Pero dito mga nagbibigay ng instruction, pinapanong-patukan ako. Wait lang. Joke lang.
Alright! And of course, but not the least, from the Marketing and Product Department, Miss Kim Miss Kim is 24 years old, stands at 5'4", and is a one-in-Montana company. Her hobbies are swimming, sleeping, and reading. And of course, what is this? I can't read this actually. Her motto is Carpe Diem. Okay. Carpe Diem.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Miss Kim.
Thank you.
So once again, beautiful ladies, let's take that catwalk and let's make it a little faster this time.
Alright, come on. Who's next? Oh, look at that shade. Cha-cha.
Pwede ba i-check niyo ako bukas?
I like your shades, okay? Ano ba yun? Ang
Next lady, please.
May makati sa t-shirt ni Cha-cha. Okay, look at that island beauty. Look at that hair.
Teka, parang matching naman yung suot.
Have your...
Parang matching naman yung
My
suot.
frustration is to, Okay. Okay. There's a bit in the oh, ito na.
Come on, Sai. Let's see a little deal dance with them.
Alright. Manda kayo sa check ride, ah. Sa sexy nyo, manda kayo, ha?
Good side. Good side.
-5 for sexiness. Bakit? Kainis? Oh. Sige.
That's a no for safety, ha?
No yan sa safety. Nakaka-distract yan. Okay, come on, lady.
Take the catwalk.
Come on.
Come on, darling.
What? Yan, oh, ha? Oh, sino ba yung mga gustong magpa-endorse ng product? C2. Ha?
One noodles cup breakfast.
Oh? Modo? Okay, go. Wow, masakit ba yan? Yung belly, ano? Bottom ring? Sakit ba rin? Okay. Gusto ko sana bottom ring. Akala
Can
ko,
you do that?
magka-fever, magkakano ako. Ayaw.
Next
Okay,
up,
next. Aba, look at the eyes, oh.
dazzling. Completely dazzling.
It's in the eyes talaga minsan, eh.
And she is, of course, from Bachelor 54, right?
Yeah, that's right. Oh, okay.
Lovely catwalks and a lovely lady.
Alright. Hindi na abot pa sa taas. Okay. Oh, siya. Ayan. Oo, si Philip kasi nasa harap
Dahil
eh.
hindi natin mga
Dave,
sa yung sumisigaw, ha?
yung TV natin nasa harap. Umaharap kayo. Emote. Na? Ano mo? Tamo. Emote na emote sila. Talagang panganganga pa.
Next up, please.
Next. Yan. See? Judges? Okay lang kayo, judges. You need water?
I think Mr. Lance got me to eat some water, sir. Are you okay?
Oh, don't say that, ah.
Sorry po.
Kainis ka. Okay. Bakit ba sikit? Oo. Sir Lance, pinagpapawisan daw po kayo. Okay. Okay lang, sir. Ha?
Next up, please. Let's not keep the tempo
May
ready.
sinasabi pa ako. Mamaya na nga.
I'm sorry,
Okay,
sorry.
May ano to? Okay, go.
Let's not forget, that is, of course, one of her clothing line. She's
see?
selling that. Pagkano ba yan?
See? Oh, iba, oh. Busy sir na, so. Pero pag ako yan, wala lang. Wala
Next up, please.
Malamang.
Di ba nag-gross ito yung meron tayong performance sa atin ng Mandala? Di ba ako sa Alex, di ba?
Oo, yeah. Actually, I like yung mga ganyan, native. Pahiram Kasi kung
Next up, ladies, come on, let's not keep the catwalk waiting. Next up, please.
Next.
Anyone from the gentlemen? Get on this bed. You don't want to say the catwalk, let's hit the stage.
Hindi. Kaya ko yan. Not now, maybe in my next lifetime. Yeah? Upper is okay, but lower is kinda, hard to do.
Wait a minute, she's the one who was the teacher proposal, or was she the one who was asking for usually?
Oh, yes, that one.
Nice, huh?
Alam mo, bilisan natin kasi makakabagan sila. Bilisan.
Come on, let's go. One more catwalk for you,
Okay,
ladies.
next. Aba. Ayan, ang hahatak mo naman, Oh. Oh, I'm out. Aba. Parang hinahamon na ako.
Wait a minute.
Nahamon na ako,
Di mo ako sanisan. Di mo ako sanisan.
Hindi, parang sa akin siya nakatingin Parang gusto niya itong babay. Hinahamon mo ako, Maganda. Wait.
Napaasa ako dun, eh.
Wait lang, ha?
Napaasa ako dun.
Mag-workout ako, promise ko yan. Next year, Okay. Okay, ayan. Okay, Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, come on. Come on.
Anyone from the guys, please?
The guys.
Mr. Alex Guevara, would you take the stage, please?
Another JJ.
Come on, after him, please, let's take the next contestant right away. Let's not keep them waiting.
Yan, may anting-anting pa si Alex. Yan. Okay.
Next up, please. Miguel Castro.
Okay, judges, Okay. Apa?
Bari, burung berasa baru. Next guy, please.
Ay, naku, talaga! Bakit ngayon? Kaya alam mo, HD. Okay, kape. Ay, kape. Next. Attention, Mrs. Ay, sorry po. Joke lang. Kayo naman, Where's your sense of humor? Okay. Aba. Yan.
Next gentleman, please.
Wow. Yan. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Next guy, please.
Next.
Shout it out. Drake it on.
Ay, ako. Another. Bakit ngayon? Karan. Alam mo, Jay, nagpapabody scrub ka ba? Ba't ang kinis mo? Go!
Next gentleman, please, Mr. Chester Bob
Sorry
Johnson.
po. Sorry po. Sorry po. Yan. Ba? Yan ang ginagawa niya. Okay. Ay, syempre.
Next up, who's next?
Look. Ay,
Next
guys
up,
at the
one,
back.
Ken.
Guys at the back. Bob,
Chelsea
take it
Bob,
off.
okay.
Bob, take it off. Wow, look at that height.
Guys, you believe?
6 feet.
Ako
6
kasi,
feet.
5. Ewan.
Guys, 6.
Ano those? Are we finished? Anyone
Guys
else?
at the back. Gary, come on, don't be
Okay.
shy. Wow, look at that walk.